Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best whisks. So let's get started. Number 7. OXO Good Grips 11-inch Balloon Whisk. This 11-inch balloon whisk from OXO gets rave reviews across the board, and for good reason. The metal wires are strong enough to hold up to thick batters, while still maintaining enough flexibility for whipping and fluffing, and the non-slip ergonomic handle makes big jobs a little more comfortable. Just don't be fooled by that soft handle. Though it looks like heat-safe silicone, it's not, and will melt if you leave it resting on the edge of a hot pan too long. This whisk is, however, dishwasher safe. Number 6. OXO Good Grips 11-inch Silicone Balloon Whisk. OXO seems to have mastered the whisk, well, almost. This 11-inch whisk has the same structure as the balloon whisk, but the whisk wires are coated with silicone, making it safe for use in non-stick pots and pans. It's also nicely weighted throughout and safe to put in the dishwasher. The handle isn't made of heat-safe silicone, though it is heat-resistant up to 600 degrees. Number 5. FoodVille Professional Milk Frother. Most immersion blenders come with a whisk attachment for bigger jobs, but if you're looking for a single tool without extra parts, the FoodVille 3-speed Milk Frother is a great option. Milk Frother is just a trendy name for a small whisk with power, and it's especially appealing to those who want to make a coffee shop-style cappuccino at home. But this handy little gadget with 2 whisk heads and 3 speeds can also handle heavier jobs like eggs, sauces, and salad dressings. You probably want more power if you're mixing batter, but this definitely gets the smaller jobs done. And unlike similar items that drain disposable batteries, the battery is rechargeable using the included USB cord. Number 4. Rösle Stainless Steel and Silicone Flat Whisk. Beyond the classic balloon style, there are plenty of specialty whisks. If you make a lot of sauces, a flat whisk is a good place to start. The wires are arranged in a single layer that's perfect for scraping brown bits from the bottom of a pan while stirring bechamel, gravy, and other sauces. This silicone-coated flat whisk from Rösle is a great choice because it's sturdy, durable, and silicone-coated, so it won't damage your pans or bowls. It's also dishwasher safe and heat-resistant up to 500 degrees. Number 3. Küchenprofi 6-inch Stainless Steel Whisk. Küchenprofi products were originally made for professionals, but they're now available to anyone who's interested in getting in the kitchen and cooking. This tool comes in many different sizes, ranging from a 6-inch all the way up to a 12-inch. It has a sturdy stainless steel handle with a little ring at the end for hanging. It's sturdy, yet it's still flexible enough to do its job. It's also dishwasher safe, great for making dressings and scrambling eggs. Number 2. Original Danish Dough Whisk. If you're a baker, this is a product you're going to want to add to your collection right away. Made from heavy-duty professional-grade stainless steel, it also has a wooden handle for simple gripping. If you've ever found yourself with trapped dough, you know what a pain that can be to remove. Well, this model is designed to avoid that. Or maybe you've tried to use a balloon style and had it break? Most common whisks are not made to withstand such tough working conditions and more substantial doughs, which is why this product exists in the first place. Number 1. OXO Good Grips Flat Whisk. If you like the OXO model featured in this article, but are looking for a flat variety to add to your collection, then this is the one I'd recommend. The flat shape is perfect for deglazing a pan and using in shallow bowls. It's great for incorporating egg whites into a batter or dealing with delicate dishes, and it can be used while a pan is on the stove without causing any damage to the product. It's dishwasher safe and comes with a very comfortable handle.